In today's video, we will try to learn the enable predefined cost center. For this, we took a problem like I want to tell you the problem first. That is, the ABCD Limited gave commission of 7,500 by cash to 3 sales executives, which allocate 45% to Mr. Karim, 25% to Mr. Das, and 30% to Mr. Banerjee. For this, predefined cost centers, we have to go with gateway of tally, then go with create, then go with show more, then select cost category. Here, press enter. Now the cost category creation is open. Here we have to put the name, which is salesman commission. Salesman commission, then presenter, allocate revenue items yes and allocate non-revenue items no. Press enter for accept yes. So the accept is complete. Now press escape key until you are going to here accounting masters. Now you will go with the cost center. Cost center is here. Now select cost center. Select the category which is salesman commission. For selecting this, press space bar on your keyboard. Then select salesman commission. Here put the name like first one we will name the category which is Mr. Karim. The under will be primary, accept yes. Then we will put the next two names which is Mr. Das, press enter, accept yes, and the next one is Mr. Banerjee. Press enter, accept yes. Now come here accounting masters, then go on the ledger. Here click enter. Now you can see a ledger creation window is open. Now write the name of commission. Commission commission. Then under will be the indirect expenses. Direct expenses. Then type of ledger not applicable. Cost centers are applicable. It will be yes. Press enter. Press enter. Nothing to put in opening balance. Press enter. Accept yes. Now press escape bar and came in the gateway of tally. Then go with create. Then select show more. Then select cost center class. Here when you select cost center class, this window will appear in front of you. Then you have to put all the name. First the class name is commission percentage, because we want to give commission in our percentage. Commission percentage. Press enter, the new window will open. Here select salesman commission. Here select the name one by one. First Mr. Karim, the percentage is 45%. Then the name is Mr. Das, The percentage is 25%. Then select Mr. Banerjee, the percentage is 30%. Presenter, the list is complete, or we can press Ctrl A to save the screen, or we can press enter to save the screen. The creation and the enables are completed. In the next video, we will try to learn our necessary vouchers entry. Thank you for watching.